so slow. Makes me want to do something stupid. Whoa, slow and stupid. Okay, enough of that. Got a front bumper on the Dayton. There's that thing, and that thing, on that thing. Oh yeah, the Sears, that thing. Look at that rust hole, ain't that shitty? Oh, gee, what do you know? Another free, crappy tractor. Well, I wonder what it has in store for me. Well, Husky Supreme. Like a Supreme pizza. Not really. Just kidding. Got a good body. Got good tires. 4 of them. Pedal drive. Nice seat. Nice steering wheel. Got a deck. Fast attached, broken piece there, but it's fixable. Both the spindles are good, the blades are good. Cast iron front axle. Oh, look at what I got here. A package? Could it be true? Well, let me just set that off to the side for now. This thing's a piece of junk. Motor's blown up. Go figure. Oh well. Well, how about let's just have a look inside. See what I got. Well, gonna take a little extra hold here. What do we got in the package? A washer? Washers? Bolts? That, my friend, is the piece I needed for Rusticide. Well, good buddy JD Rocks 85, he sent it to me. Sweet. So I want everyone to thank him for that. He had the piece I needed. JD Rocks 85. So give him a thank you, and check out his videos. He's got some cool little tractors, a lot of projects. Other than that, I got the piece for Rusticide. Got a piece of shit tractor. Selling the transmission in a couple of days, actually. And there's my shit on the go MTD yard machines, Little Red. I didn't want to put a battery there, but I ended up doing it anyway. Just because I just wanted this thing to run. Awesome tape from Northern Tool and Equipment. It's a little airbag-ish like, it poofs out, but hey, it works. Starts, it runs, it drives. Oh, and another humorous fact. Watch the crappy wheel. You can tell or not, it's warped and bent. Hey, cat. But hey, it runs. that wheel ain't coming off. Sweet. Damn. Sometimes it backfires. I was hoping it was going to backfire. And oh my gosh, is it ever loving slow. I mean, it's slow. It's slow for a tractor. It's slow. But this thing is worth something. Look at that nice, lovely hull. And it goes all the way to the other side, right behind the, you can tell or not, there's pieces of it right there, the engine block. It's broken all the way behind the starter and crappy ELS intake. It has the most hilarious picture I've ever seen in my life, though. Ain't that awesome? That should be a tattoo on somebody. Not me, but somebody. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Rusticide. It's gonna happen. Just give me a little bit of time. Later.